It is that time of the day where we check out the pre-sales, the cool pre-sales for the day, and the scams that are honeypots and so on. So if you're interested in that, make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Slap the like button because we have some really cool pre-sales today and some warnings. The first one, and I'll do the top 7 today because normally I do top 5. But yeah, top 5 is lame, so we'll do top 7. The first one is easy because it's the worst one, Doge 2.0. I wanted to warn you, this is a honeypot. They've been making the Doge 2.0s one after the other, trying to imitate the trending Pepe 2.0 right now. They're doing that on PINKSALE somehow. They're raising BNB. I think that's fake. Some people might be interested and might be depositing some money. I think that's the creators. That's just my opinion. This is obviously no financial advice. So top 7 is easy. I would not encourage you to buy that. You can do it on your own terms. So the next one, which is actually cool, in my opinion, is POPCAP Fair Lunch. It's a long-term project, renounced contract, 0% buy and sell tax forever, which is really good if you're a scalper just like me. As you can see, we're waiting for a few trades to play out. We just took profit on NKN, so it would be pretty cool if Bitcoin pumps so we can take profit on a few others. So right now they've raised 5.98 Ethereum. The sale ends in 6 hours, so this will be successful sale. I'll have the link for that one in the description down below. And by the way, if you're interested about learning about all the interesting pre-sales for the day, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, nothing else. I don't have any paid groups, nothing else. I talk about my calls on Twitter, by the way, a lot, every single future trade, but all you gotta do, hit the subscribe button, that's it. And if you wanna help out the channel, hit the like button, really warms my heart, really helps me out. So this project actually has an audit. We'll check it for any security issues. We will also go to their website, Telegram, Twitter. Let's start with the audit. By audit days, it's not the most reliable company, but these audits can be very expensive. Audit days was consulted to conduct the smart contract audit of the Solidity sources codes. So they don't really have any issues. I don't know if they worked on them, but yeah, they're a professional team, it seems. Well, let's go to their website. So roadmap, I'm not impressed. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Yeah, not impressed. Phase 1, creation, website release, official, that's good. Marketing campaigns, that should be phase 2. And then they have phase 3 when they have the POPCAP swap. So definitely not impressed by the website, to be honest. That's a very cheap website. Let's check out their Twitter community. They have 2,000 followers. Are excited, stay tuned. To the moon. Oh, let's get some coffee into our system. This is the camera. Have some coffee with me. That's nice. So, are you excited? Stay tuned. Yes, be patient. Cheers for the upcoming pop, Ethereum meme, pop, Pepe. Here it is. Here's their announced contract. At least that's good. They have some artwork. I definitely want your opinion as well. It's good that they didn't buy the Telegram follow subscribers. They have 136. They could have inflated these numbers, but communities generally catch on to those. We'll see how we'll rank this one for today. But right now I'm not super impressed. Okay, so a really cool project. It's actually Floki 2.0 subscription. Floki, obviously very cool project. Shout out to CoinMonkey if you're watching this video. I had made over 4,050k from Floki 2 years ago. It's time to give back to the community with Floki 2.0. Let's sip some coffee. All the 7% tax will be used in buyback, and your job as a community to hold and shield. This project has raised 453 BNB, very serious. It ends in 6 hours. The goal was just 27 BNB. I would guess this is some of the expenses they've had and they've covered them. They have some audit. We'll see if they have any issues with it. But in general, most of the tokens we're getting are 2.0s today. Website, really bad. It's a mobile website, basically designed to fit MetaMask, the app, so you can check it from your phone. So that's a no. In terms of the website, definitely a red flag. Subscription sale ends today at 1 p.m. ETC. Here it is. Let's see how excited people are with Imagine. We definitely discuss something huge for your project. Send me a DM. This is some influencer. In general, they spam people for promos. Then you have their Telegram 91 online. Let's check out their Telegram. I'll sign in real quick. So they have bye. Look at this. Let's work together for this project to go higher. This is an extraordinary project. So they kind of have a message every few minutes. So, I don't know. Unable to render register. Where can I go to their audit? Okay, so here is their audit, and it is so they have one high and one medium risk that's not resolved. It's passed with high risk, so that's not good. In general, that's a red flag. This is a definitely red flag. And we're going to actually, hopefully, a good project, Starlink Satire Fair Launch. So Starlink Satire blockchain-based token from BEP20 or Binate Smart Chain is ready to circulate across the crypto gaming world. In this chapter, 2 games will be presented to the users, first offering an exciting play-to-earn system. Users will have their gaming experience with earning tokens while deep diving into trading adventures. That's really cool. Play-to-earn games in general, I would be interested in. 23 BNB. 1 hour left, so this is something that I would definitely check out. Let's go to their audit. They also have a lot of stuff, so we'll go here and check their Reddit. This for today might be my top pick, but most of the projects for today kind of crappy, to be honest. I might make a follow-up video again in 6 hours from now. Audit report, Starlink Satire. Here it is. Unresolved stomps transactions. So they have a critical issue. The other ones are passed. That's good. They also have a lot of other unresolved issues. Look at this: missing events, dead code elimination, unnecessary Boolean quantity. So a lot of the issues are not fixed. Hopefully they fix them after the launch. But they've done a lot better of a job on their website. You can't really see the roadmap. I think it looks kind of cool. But also weird. CoinGecko listing, 1K followers, set their trend on Twitter, burn. Wait us. It should be wait for us, so there's typos. This looks like a typical WordPress website. If we go and type in WP-admin, we might do it. It's a Starlink Satire is the ultimate meme coin. Today we have just weird meme coins with very bad websites. I'm not that interested in this project either, and today we don't really have that many good tokens. We're going to escape room. This is my hope for today so far. Hopefully this is a good project. Presale ends in 2 days, 10 hours 59 minutes. So this project has safe audit, KYC, and docs. I guess just one member probably got the KYC because that's the minimum they would do. CFG Ninja audit, security assessment, escape room token. Here it is June 30th. Audit pass, SAFO risk analysis, critical danger. So they pretty much have everything is okay. Everything is green, but I encourage you to do your own due diligence. I think we checked it out yesterday a little bit, but it is Squid Game inspired AI-based loots puzzle game, 0% buy and sell tax, 0% human allocation, text use, text trending immediately on launch. So yeah, all of that is very good and promising when we go. And I hope the website doesn't look weird. Yeah, it's a little bit better, colorful. So they're trying to mimic Squid Games. Escape Room is an extraordinary project. By the way, I haven't seen projects that actually managed to pull it off, but this will be very good if they manage to do and capitalize on the trend, because we'll have the Squid Games season 2 soon. So they have 38% burn, 20% liquidity on Uniswap, CX partnerships, and pre-sales. This is the top project for me for today. and the only one I would probably check out, to be honest. Like, the other projects are really bad, really bad. A project that is good on the Binance Smart Chain, in my opinion, but you need to check it out a little bit more, and I will right now, is opBNB. You can see it here. They have the Seifu, Audit, KYC, and Dogs. They raised 63 BNB in the pre-sale and in a day. It is opBNB, high performance layer 2 solution known for the BNB ecosystem. The latest generation of scalability offers more transactions per second, lower gas costs, and a large gas limit. So all of that is included in their project. When we go to their website, something that I notice is that it's very well done, very clean. I would say it's mobile friendly. This is not done that well, as you can see, but yeah, join the new era of blockchain by now. They don't really have any privacy statements, no footer, so that's not very professional. But yeah, unleash the power of opBNB. We'll see how that goes. That's not one of the worst projects, but I'll probably put it on to top 2 because the others are really bad. I'll have a captions and cards for each of and how I categorize them again. If you're interested in that and want to see more videos, I'll probably have another one coming up later today. See you next one. Love you guys and girls. Bye.